In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a online kind of library of video studies with PDF attachments. This is in response to a question someone asked on Facebook. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to click Config, and then we're going to click Definitions. And here I'm going to create a new definition, and we're going to call this a video study. And the plural of that would be video studies, like that. Gotta love the English language. And the parent type I'm going to choose as a video. We're basically going to extend a basic video and come up with this video studies kind of thing. We're going to go to manage fields. I'm going to click add fields. I'm just going to choose a basic field. I'm going to call this PDF attachments. I'm not sure exactly what they'd be, maybe like reading guides or something like that. The data type I'm going to choose as a content reference. The reference type I'm going to choose as an asset, and you'll see that we'd be able to create new assets there. And the input type could even be like a file upload or something if you want to. Now, I want it so that you can have as many PDFs as you want attached. You may want it so there's only one PDF attached, but if I make that 0, then there's no limit to how many PDFs can be attached to this video study. And I'm going to put this in the admin realm, because that's where I want my definitions and things to be stored so that no one can edit them except for me. And now I've got video study like that. So what I can do is I can go to vimeo.com and hopefully we'll find a video of some sort. Let's just go inspiration watch. There should be some kind of video while that's loading that page. We'll go over here. I'm going to go to content. I'm going to go to under videos. Actually, I might just refresh this because I've created a new definition so that we can see it. So under videos, when my internet decides to work, I'm going to click this and then click video studies. And you'll see I've got no video studies. I'm going to create a new video study. I'm going to call this lesson 1. I'm going to go to my Vimeo over here and I'm just going to find just an embed code of some sort for this Vimeo video. I'm going to choose the asset type of Vimeo, paste in my Vimeo URL, and you can see here I've also got this option for PDF attachments. I'm going to click find, actually no, I'm going to click new. I'm going to add a new one, and that file is going to be in my, here I've got a PDF here. I can call this, like my reading study guide or something. Yeah, we'll stick that in the admin panel as well, just because I don't really know where else I'd put it. And we'll put this up in admin as well. Hit save, and now we've got our video study. So we've got lesson 1, and if I click that, I can see that I've got my reading guide attached and my Vimeo video. Now this could be a Vimeo or a YouTube, or you can upload, or you can embed something from somewhere else, and that's how you create a video study. And now, from now on, if you want to do more video studies, all you have to do is just click new video study. You go, I don't know, lesson 2. Choose whether it's on Vimeo or YouTube or something else, paste in the thing, upload any attachments, or you might grab attachments that you've already uploaded if you've bulk uploaded a bunch of them, and yeah, we put them in this realm, hit save, and now we've got lesson 1 and lesson 2. Fantastic. Now I'm going to go to apps, go to websites, and I'm going to create a new site. I'm just going to call this my video study portal or something. We'll click continue. I've got nothing on my home page. I'm going to click on the left to blocks. I'm going to find the content cards block, drag that on the screen, and by default it's going to show me like events that are coming up. I'm going to change that to video studies, and that should now show me lesson 1 and lesson 2. And I also want to go down here and choose sort by the title, and that is text alphabetical ascending, so we should get lesson 1 first and then lesson 2 because it's being ordered by the title there. And in this little area we can put our Fluro video and put item equals item, which should give us the actual video that we can watch in there. We can get rid of this image kind of thing, and we could also down here just do a let's just print out the item there so we can see what details we've got. We should have the if we go down, I think we want to get rid of all the fields that we've got here and just give us the whole thing, which should give us data.pdf attachments. And here we can do item.data.pdf attachments. We'll do a link for each of them. Do a V4. This is getting a little bit technical, but V4 asset in item.data.pdf attachments. Yeah, this is getting a little bit technical, but you don't have to do this once. And once you've done this, you kind of just create your video studies, and they'll just pop up in this gallery. So we're almost done. We want to get the asset.title. So we got our reading study guide, and we also want to link to get that A tag there. We want to do a href and fluro.asset.download URL for the asset in question, and we'll put a Fluro icon. And if you're wondering about all of these things, you can get the documentation up here, which tells you like all of these little components and widgets and things that you can use. I'm going to do a download icon, and you see that you get this kind of thing. And we can also just do a float right as a real basic. Sits over there on the right hand side, and we'll just do a border 1 pixel solid and padding 10 pixels, display block, something like that. And then we've got our reading study guides. That's bottom 2 pixels. We could also obviously just do that in CSS, which would be a lot nicer, but just for example's sake, now we've got those, and we also want to open them in a new window, so we do target equals underscore blank, and we choose somewhere for this website to exist. We hit save and publish, and we create a domain, new application, call this our video study portal, click continue. We want to make that an application. Our application can just have real basic, what do we want, public website visitor, if I can find that somewhere. Public website visitor role. There, we'll click done. Put that in the admin realm, just for example's sake, so it can access all that other stuff. And we'll hit save and publish, just for good measure. And we'll open up that site, and now we have a video study portal that people can look at stuff. We can go back here and add some text. So we'll just add text up here. We'll change this to be like check out the studies. Maybe we'll get rid of those bits, pieces. The horizontal wrap, the vertical wrapper, we can make extra small, so it's a little bit tighter like that. This vertical padding can be extra small. Maybe that can be just small. That's cool. And we'll hit save and publish, and we'll just reload our site over here and see what it looks like. And there we go. Check out the studies. People can watch the studies and get the reading guides, and that's how it's done.